Yes, I have a question. Like, how can I stop the whisperings of merciless? You know, sometimes when I have misunderstandings with my Muslim sisters, and Satan keeps whispering mercilessly and humiliates them. So how can I stop this? But I've been saying "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim," but it seems not to work because they reply to me sometimes, and sometimes they did nothing wrong by replying, but I just don't feel comfortable when it keeps humiliating and costing themselves. So how can I stop it?
We told you before, Halima, that these whispers, if you identify that they are from shaitan, shaitan is your enemy. He is your adversary. Would my enemy say to me, drink this green tea, it is beneficial for you? I would definitely leave it. My enemy does not give me solid advice for my benefit. My enemy would only address me to take me to hell, to make me perish or suffer or be harmed. So if you acknowledge that these whispers are from shaitan, the only logical thing to do is to ignore. Your sisters or anyone else humiliating you, insulting you, they are provoking you to react. And usually your reaction would be negative. That would draw bad consequences on your life. So instead of you being a victim, by reacting, you will become the perpetrator. You will become the transgressor. They win. They are laughing because they managed to make you act in this way, and you lose. As Muslims, we always think of the consequence of our actions. So if the consequences are worse, then we stop. If the consequences are equal, then it's judgmental. It's up to our preference. But if the consequences are positive and highly appreciated, then we should go ahead.